guys, so I recently purchased this DEWALT pressure washer. It's gas. I haven't seen many reviews on YouTube, so I decided to make one. I'm gonna test it out, washing my truck and the concrete, see how this works, see what comes in the box. Let's see what comes inside of it. Let me get my knife inside this box. Got the instructions right on top. Another instruction. There's this piece. So I guess this is the top part where you maneuver it. And then here's the main engine. I wonder if I should pull it out, or I'll pull it out. Grab it. I should remove this first. So it comes with the power hose, or the nozzle. This is pretty nice. Huh, it doesn't say DEWALT on it though. That's weird. Comes with the, I don't know what this is called, but the extension. And comes with the hose. I like the smell of that rubber. Okay, now I can pull it. Now I can pull it off. I could have cut the box, but I said fuck it. I don't want to do it. All right, it comes with the comes with the oil. That's pretty neat. Don't gotta buy oil. Comes with another package right here. Oh, it already came with the... Huh, I wonder what this is right here. I guess it came with the filter. Let's check it out. I guess it's the DEWALT instruction manual. I just throw it down. The warranty, emission control system. Guess this is the filter for it. Gotta read the instruction manual, see how this works. These bad boys are here. I almost bought a separate case of them, but these are the front nozzles. I guess the way it sprays, there's like a straight stream, more wider angles. Came with these pieces. Okay, so first thing I did was attach the extension to the hose, the gun, the trigger part. I put this piece on right here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is attach the handle. Move this aside. Attach this handle to it. Just slides right in. It's a little tough, a little rough, but that's what you want. You want that pressure to be on there so it won't be, you know, loose or anything. Alright, so it comes with these little what do you call these, screws and the heads for it. So they're going to go into the holes right here for the handle. Just like that, just tighten them. Okay, so on this part right here too, fix it so you can see. This knob right here, right there. Right here it says to remove this red tab. So we're gonna take this tab off right here. Okay, so I tried a Phillips head and it just stripped the middle piece. It doesn't work. So I got some vice grips. If you got vice grips, just use these or something that pinches it. Because I grabbed it right here and it just loosens up. It has threading on the bottom, so. Okay, once that's loose, take it off, discard of it, or dispose of it, whatever you want to say. This is for the oil. So I'll put this back on. I'm gonna hand tighten it for right now, because it's just like a really soft plastic. It don't feel like the gas can where you can tighten it, but I'm just gonna hand tighten it. So since I'm in this same spot as the oil dipstick, right here, hold on, before I break this stand, here's dipstick. It doesn't have any oil, but I'm still gonna check it just in case, you never know. See, it's empty. Okay, so they provided me with this oil right here. Okay, so I poured this engine oil in there that came with the actual package. So I poured it in here, checked it, it was good. Next, I'm gonna check the gas. Okay, so we're gonna take this sticker that was on it off. No gas, so look before you pump. Ethanol percentage, 10%, okay. Okay, so it's saying you can have 10% of ethanol inside your gas, which I don't, for my lawnmowers and all that, just get 100% gas all the time. So I'm gonna fill it up with gas. Alright, she's filled up. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, so I guess the little knobs that they give you, the nozzles, they have their own little spot for the handle, which is kind of neat. I like it. So I guess you put these bad boys in there like this, and it's color coded too. So this one's red, yellow for the 15 degree, the green one. I guess it's the white one right here, and the black one. This is really neat. That way you don't lose your, your nozzles. That's perfect. That's actually, I really like that. They're really in there snug too. It's like a really good rubber right here that it connects into. That's good right there. Okay, so when you get this straight out the box, it has this little cap on top of the threads. So just remove the cap, and the hose has the two ends that are the same as connectors. So I'm going to connect one end to this one right here, this thread. I believe this is where the power washing hose goes. This is where your garden hose goes right here. So the garden hose, the power washing hose right here. I'm actually going to start this. I already checked my oil, checked my gas, it's all in there. Let's see how this turns on. There's a switch on the side, it's a red switch. Just turn it down to on. It's usually on off. I'll show you right here. That switch right there. I just switched it over to on. Okay, let's see how this bad boy turns on. So since it's brand new, it's gonna have some smoke coming out because everything is brand new on the motor, so it's gonna, you know, show some steam coming out. I don't know if you can see that right there. I think you can, right there. Steaming. So now that I plugged everything in, I'm gonna go get my garden hose, plug that in, test it out, see how it runs, and see how this bad boy works. Damn, I'm mumbling way too much. But yeah, let's get this thing tested out. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on, turn my water on, and we'll see how the spray comes out. I'm gonna try. Okay, so there you have it. The power wash works. That thing is super strong. I got some degreaser in I was spraying it in my truck. But yep, you just hook up your hose to the to this connector right here. You hook up your hose. You hook up the power washing hose onto that one on the back side. Once you got it, you make sure you turn on the on and off switch, you know, turn it on when you want it on, turn it off when you want it off, and you're ready to go. That thing is it's a little loud, just letting you know, so it's best to do this during the day. Yeah, so there's that. About to wash my truck right now, and then I'm gonna move my truck and then wash the driveway. So check that out right there. Degreased everything, ready to wash it off right now. So you can buy extra accessories, you know, like you can get soaps for your car. You buy the filter for it. There's like a filter for the power wash to put in the bucket to the soap, and then they have these little inserts right here too, foam brushes and all that. So yeah, this thing has a 3-year warranty with factory. You can buy the Home Depot one if you want, but I'm not for all that. So there's that. Ready to wash my truck. Thanks for watching. That was just a quick little, you know, review on the product, because I didn't see any online, so I wanted to do my own. Make sure, you know, people see it. I'm not the greatest of this doing reviews, but I'm just an average person. You know, there's a lot of people like me just ready to buy things and don't know what to do, and that's a quick, easy little setup right there. There's other ones, of course. There's smaller ones. You know, you don't have to get a big